guys, Dan and Lisa here from Always on Liberty, and we are in North Fork, Idaho at the Water's Edge RV Park. And in a second, we're going to tell you everything about it. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in and welcome back. Now we are at Water's Edge RV Park, and that's in North Fork, Idaho. Dan, where is North Fork, Idaho, and what do you do here?
North Fork, Idaho is located about 20 miles north of Salmon, Idaho, and about 50 miles south of Hamilton, Montana on Highway 93. Some of the things to do here, well, first off, it is the whitewater rafting capital of the world. So fishing, whitewater rafting, kayaking, motorcycle riding, horseback riding, anything, hiking, anything to do outdoor related can be done here.
It's also in the National Forest, so there's lots of trails for horseback riding, also adventure motorcycles and razors. Okay, Water's Edge RV Park has 11 RV sites, 9 of which are full hookup, which includes sewer. They're 50, 30 amp, and there are 2 electric only with water. They also have a rentable cabin that sleeps 4, and they have a couple tent camping sites. So there's a little bit of everything for everybody. Now each RV site of the 9, each comes with a picnic table. Now they don't come with fire pits, but there is an amazing communal fire pit. There's also a walk-on deck with 4 large tables with lots of chairs where you can have game night, or you just want to sit with your friends. It's also a great place to work on your laptop or catch up on your Wi-Fi, your connectivity. Also comes with a small bathhouse. It is a his and hers, and it's only 1 stall each, so you have to kind of be patient, but they're clean and very roomy. And they also have some cornhole boards, some horseshoe pits. They have a dog walking area, although it is not fenced in, and they have the little doggy bag dispenser.
One of the things that really draws us to this RV park is the on-site restaurant. It's an Italian-based restaurant where you can get pizza, Italian-based appetizers and salads, a cold beer, or a glass of wine.
Tell you about the things we like and the things that are meh. All right, the things that we like. I'm going to start. The scenery here is absolutely amazing. We are right on the river. That's the noise you hear in the background. That is not static. It's absolutely, it's serene. It's pretty awesome. And when we go for a drive not too far from here, we see the wildlife, the bald eagles, the bighorn sheep. We even see herds of elk after dinner. So it's an amazing place to go check out the wildlife.
also love the food here. I love the restaurant. I love that the sites are level. They have a nice gravel base. They're easy to get in and out of. They're very big rig friendly. The site locations are good.
Yeah, and I think just the place where we are, it's just, you know, there's no distractions. It's not slide to slide. They are a little close, but they're not slide to slide, and there's not many people here, so you're not in chaos.
Right. I love the fact that it's family owned and ran, and the owner lives on site.
Yeah.
He's readily available 24 hours a day should you encounter any type of issue.
Okay, the things that we don't kind of like.
That are meh.
There's only one.
Yes, there's only one.
No, two.
Okay.
Okay. The first one is, while they do have free Wi-Fi, as we all know in every RV park, that is questionable. Well, the only way you can get Wi-Fi really is if you come to the back deck here or inside the restaurant. But if you're, if that's not an issue, that's fine. If you are working remotely, that could be a big downfall. The other thing is we're 25 miles from Salmon. That is a long way if you need bread and milk or if you forget something. So our suggestion is, if you're going to come here, make sure you go grocery shopping. Get that stuff, everything you need, because once you get here, you're not going to want to leave anyway.
No, it's true. It's beautiful. The location is great. It's very user-friendly. The amenities here are fine. The wildlife is gorgeous. The scenery is gorgeous. The Bitterroot Mountains are very pretty. It's a very nice location.
So that's your spin-off of the Water's Edge RV Park in North Fork, Idaho. We're going to put that information right there in the description. We thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know when our videos come out. So thank you, and as we say, underway is the only way.